Hey there, welcome to Even my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to make product videos with product image. So, if you want to rank your store on search engine, you wanted to bring a lot of customers on your store to improve or grow your business, increase the sales, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share very easy way, and you can do it without any previous experience, without purchase any software tools or any subscription. So easy, so simple. Just you have to follow my step by step guideline, and you have to invest your time to make product videos with your product image. Okay, so to do this, first of all we are going to open a product. So I'm going to one of my client e-commerce website, then click on the, for example, we're going to, okay, then go to the nightwear, this collection, and we wanted to make a product video for this one. Okay, this is the product, and here is the product image. You can see we have 5 images of this product. Now we wanted to make a video with this image. Okay, to do this I'm going to Canva, then click create a design. You have to click on that. Then as we wanted to make video, so click on the videos, then select mobile video. Of course we are going to make video for only mobile version. That's mean we are going to make short video, reels video. So I hope you understand. So click on mobile, and if I want to explain it, then I have to say that we are going to make video for short form, for YouTube platform, for Instagram, for Facebook, for TikTok. Okay, now we are in here. Then we have to select the template from here. So first of all I'm going to check the template. For example, here is one of the template, but you have to search in here to get the right or perfect template for your product video to make it with image. Okay, so I'm going to search fashion, and you can see that there are a lot of fashion related ready template. Looks here. Okay, here, also here. Okay, okay, you see. Okay, and here another. Yes, so we can select any template from here based on our requirement. So first of all I'm going to select this one, click on the apply all pages. Okay, but we no need all pages, we only need 5 pages. This one, this one, this one, this one. Now check 1 2 3 4 5. Also remove this one. Okay, we have 5 pages. Okay, now we have to add our image. So first you have to collect your image in a folder. So copy the folder name or make a folder with the same name, save as png, and create a new folder. Now I have to upload all the image in here. Yes, okay, 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 I have uploaded all the image. Okay, we have ready image in here, and now we have to upload all the image on here. So I'm going to upload all the images. It was uploaded before, so I don't have to upload again. And now what we have to do, first we are going to replace this image. So just reflex, step 1 done, then reflect, then add this one, step 2 done. So simple. Then add this one, very easy. Then add this one, then add this one. We have done. Okay, then add first image in here. We have done. So we have added the image. Now we can change the image background. We can change the image size as our requirement, and you can see that there is a different image. So we're going to use this one in here. Okay, and here is the this one. Perfect. And in here, yes, perfect. And in here, looks good. And in here, okay. And finally, okay, so we have added all the images. Okay, now we are going to play. You see, look at the text also. Yes, 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 perfect. But I want to change the time of this. Make it 3 seconds. Make it 3 seconds. Perfect. Then make it 3 seconds. Also this one, make it 3 seconds. And then finally this one, make it 3 seconds. And now we have to add our website address in here. So I'm going to add website address. Okay, perfect. And we can add product title in here. We can add this one in here and add some text. Make it small based on our requirement, or we can add this text at top and nightwear in here. Looks good. In the same way, you can do the same things in everywhere. Looks here. For example, I'm going to copy this one and delete, paste, delete and paste, delete and paste, delete and paste, and then copy this text, copy, go back, go next one or this one, delete, copy, okay, 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 okay. So I hope you understand how we have make a simple product image video. Okay, now going to play again. Yes, 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 but we can make it more small, change the length from 3 to 2. Okay, and play again. Okay, okay, okay. Now I'm going to share another tips. Now you have to add background music in this video. So how you can do it? You can do it very easily. First you can go to TikTok, upload this video and add background music from TikTok. You can go Facebook, you can add background music from Facebook. You can go Instagram, you can do same things for YouTube also. So I hope you understand how to make a nice video, product video with product image, and I think now you can do it by yourself. So I hope you understand how you can make product video with your product image with free Canva tools. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify store design, SEO or WordPress website design, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.